Welcome to hashtag Better Eats. Today we make what you see cauliflower chicken. This is crispy coated chicken with rice flour and cauliflower. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know, and let's get this vegetable oil in the pan. Hello. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. And let's get it in. Hello. Did you get? Like, share, and comment. Be sure that you get your olive oil. You dig? Always a pleasure. Thanks for choosing hashtag Better Eats, where you better have ate some cauliflower chicken. You dig? Alright, we're going to wait for this oil to heat up. I'll see you in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's go, let's flow. Get your cauliflower pieces out. Hello, this is a spicy chicken with cauliflower as the breading. This is a cauliflower chicken taste test. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. Thanks for choosing hashtag Better Eats. Hello, I am your chef, Dvine. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go, let's flow. Did you get your chicken pieces ready? Hello. Now, get your chicken into this olive oil like so. We're just going to cook 3 pieces. Maybe 4 because it's a little one right there. I'll see you in a few minutes after we pick this cauliflower chicken out of the grease. Like, share, and comment. But be sure to cook something healthy. Yeah, it is. Be sure that you get you a bowl to put your food in after you take it out of this hot grease. Now, wash that bowl. See how it got water in it? Wash your bowl. And now, put some napkins in the bottom of this bowl to catch the excess grease. Alright, let's take a look in that pan. Looking good. They'll be done shortly. Stay tuned. Now you will know that they are done when they start floating to the top. See how this one over here is floating a little bit to the top? See? Alright. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know. We are cooking cauliflower chicken. Hello. Alright, you see the difference now that that chicken is floating to the top? Let's take it out, baby. Be sure that you have a good old bowl full of napkins to catch the excess grease. And be careful while taking the food out. You dig? Alright, like, share, and comment. Let's get this chicken out this pan. Be careful. You do not want to burn yourself, so be very careful while taking the chicken out. Okay, cauliflower chicken, I see you, I see you. I see you, I see you. Okay. I ain't mad at it. It is nice and crispy. All right, we're going to let that simmer down and cool down, and we'll be back shortly with a taste test. All right, let's go, let's flow. We got it on the plate, time to taste it. We're gonna get us some hot sauce, some barbecue sauce, and some ketchup. All right, let's go, let's flow. Let's get our taste test on. I got my hot sauce, I got my ketchup, and I got me some barbecue sauce as well. Like, share, and comment. Like, share, grab a friend, and let's get this taste testing. I'm gonna go in with some with some ketchup and hot sauce first. Did you say your grace? God is good. God is great. Thank you a lot for this plate. I mean, this is for you. There you go. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay, this is awesome, if I must say. Grab you some cauliflower chicken. You and your family will be sure to enjoy it. It is the most nutritional and healthy for you. And your kids will love it. Let's get some barbecue sauce, shall we? Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Like, share, and comment. I thank you for choosing hashtag Better Ace. It's truly been a pleasure to bring you something that you had better eat. Come on by 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a pleasure. Thanks for choosing hashtag Better Ace with your host, Chef Dvine.